Alright guys, we are here at a super flooded river. Today we're gonna be targeting a lot of sturgeon. Let's have some fun. Yeah, baby!
Caught, it's caught.
Chris!
This is the weirdest thing ever. It was snagged on this like stick thing. Literally, there was a stick rod that was doing some fishy stuff. I think he's literally tangled. Holy, those are tiny hooks. He's like completely tangled in crap. And set that sucker. Yeah. Dude, do it.
Alright guys, we didn't even know we had him on. This might be a bullhead, honestly. I don't know.
Maybe flathead. Actually, its whiskers do look
Looks
more
like a bullhead. Okay, whatever. This is just dumb.
No, I definitely have a fish here.
Okay, I might be on your line though.
Net Arden! Here, I'm going to you here.
Yeah.
I had no clue what this is. I'm just gonna step back and like, yeah. No, you stay right there.
Oh, what is it? What is it? That's a catfish. That's a big catfish. That's probably a channel. Yeah, it's a channel. Nice. Dude, that's like, that'd be, it's definitely 3.
Let's go!
Doesn't even know we got one.
As soon as I got slacked like super out, I'm like, yeah, I'm setting those, bro.
Well, do you want to hold it or?
Can't see crap, but
So muddy. Whatever. I picked out lures. Cause like he, one same spot.
oh yeah. Chris, net him.
Where is he?
He's right here.
Nope, it's caught. It's caught.
Chris!
Yo.
I didn't even know I had a fish on.
I broke it. Yeah, there's a crap. Yeah, he is. Ah! Stop! Grab him by the tail.
What the?
He's making some like weird noise.
First sturgeon, guys. Very small one, but still good. Look at my first.
Ever, your first ever.
First time. Nice, good shot. Alright, take a picture.
Sturgeon, good sturgeon.
Oh, it's a good sturgeon.
What the heck?
Nice.
Oh. Right now. Yeah, what the crap?
That's definitely bigger than mine.
Holy crap. She's swimming up the street. He's right here, swimming up. Hey. Oh, sturgeon.
Nice.
He was actually fighting hard, dude.
Actually, a really nice sturgeon. Yeah.
Dude, that was the first sturgeon I actually fought, literally.
Yeah.
He
was like
he knocked my rod over and then like, yeah, actually was taking me out.
What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? You literally hold him like this and there's no spines at all. Yep. Oh. Ah!
Yep, there.
Ah! Ah!
3, 2, 1.
When we were fishing the other day, you guys saw clips or whatever, those like 2 little sticks right there, that's where we were standing. It hasn't rained, it's been like 2 days, and the water already got up here. Like in our fishing videos like last year, we were fishing like 20 feet that way into the water. That's how shallow it was. And now it's like completely flooded up here.
What's this hold on shot in there? Oh, yep. It could be the current, but you might feel that. Yep. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, baby.
it's big, it's big. Oh, Sturgeon, I think
Right here again.
Sturgeon again, yeah, that's big, that's fucking big, let's go.
That's like your first one.
Oh. That's my biggest one.
Well guys, I just broke off on that right there. Is out in the middle, it goes, and then it comes around this way in this little like reservoir area right here. And this tree is just stuck in that, so it's just coming around and around and around.
You ready to stick on it?
Quickly! Hurry up! Just eat it before the tree comes, please. Something. No!
No, Matt. No, no!
No! Oh!
You broke up.
All right guys, so basically we moved to this river because when the river got a bit more shallow by us, a giant tree went right where we were fishing, so we can't fish there anymore. But basically we're just gonna try fishing by this massive dam right here, see what we can get. Aaron and Arden were here the other night and they caught a lot of stuff. I'll just put this up on the screen. Arden, please. No? Okay, well, yeah, so basically we're just gonna fish here now.
Yeah. We should just net him, honestly. Just net him. Malachi, net job. Net job. Right here. Right here. Right in your net.
Nice. I completely did not bring. Alright guys, first fish of the day. We got a little carp right here. We've only been fishing here for like 5 minutes and got nailed, so pretty good way to start it out.
I just kind of bored. How do I even? Yeah, I got one. Oh! How? He broke the whole thing off. What we're doing, we have like all of us 4 or 5 rods separate on this bank right here, trying to fish in the slack pools over there off of the dam coming down. But getting a lot of bites, so I just broke off on one though. So.
This thing was actually like born yesterday. Bullhead are annoying.
I can't tell at all.
Yeah, probably bullhead. Arden, I'm getting one.
My guess is a catfish.
Come on, bring him in, man. I just got hit too.
Bro, net job. It's you.
Oh, you're
it's a
so
keeper.
lucky, dude.
Alright guys, second fish for me. We've only been here for like 30 minutes and we got 2 fish already, so not bad. Unfortunately, Malachi not having such a great day.
Sheephead. Third sheephead, guys. Another super small one. Let's see if we can get some bigger stuff. Attaboy, Malachi. Yeah. Yeah. I am. Yeah. He's decent. Yeah, no. What is that? Net him. Right here. Net him. Let's go. Let's go, bro.
All right, guys, I just caught a giant carp.
Alright, here we go.
All right, guys.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Arden just caught a pretty big carp. I say it's about 5 pounds.
Nice carp. Our third one of the day, I think. Got him in this black pool over there. Let him go.
Got another little sheephead, guys. He inhaled the hook, and this is probably gonna be the last fish. We have to leave in a little bit, unless Aaron just got one. Doesn't look like he did.
Yeah, I got
Huh?
one, I got one.
Oh, you got one?
Yeah.
Okay. We doubled up, guys.
Not big, it's not big.
It's another sheephead.
I'm just gonna...
You don't need a net him. You don't need a net him. All right. Well.
They're the exact same fish.
Yep. They're twins. They're the
They both
exact
shoot
same
the
size.
line. We're
falling
slaying.
in
We're
the water.
slaying out here, guys.
All right, Arden, catch one on your last cast. All right, guys, so we're gonna be done fishing here for today. I hope you guys liked watching this as much as we liked fishing. Basically, right now, guys, we have a whole bunch of videos lined up that we just have to finish. So hopefully, we'll be a bit tighter on the posting schedule because we've been really slacking on that. We're just gonna try and finish a whole bunch of videos. But yeah, see you guys next time.